Hello students, my name is Archana Dhaude and I am going to teach computer system and application subject for TY Basically, why I have designed this particular video for TY students is for the selection of your subject, as you all entered in semester number 5. So there is one subject, or you are having one elective subject, that is export or IT, which is IT is not name of our subject. Our subject name is computer system and application. So you are having choice, and most of the students are taking computer system and application as an elective subject because their friend says that it is scoring subject. But most of the students are not having exact idea why it is scoring subject. So for the introduction of this topic only, I have designed this particular video, as it is not possible for us to conduct the orientation in college. So this is the reason why I have designed this. So basically there are so many reasons why you should take computer system and application as your elective subject. First reason, we can say that we are having objective questions, that is 15 marks objective will be there. In that we will be having multiple choice question and true and false. So this is first reason we are having objective, so 15 marks will be for objective only. After that, second reason, we can say that we are having 7 to 8 marks question, theory question is there. So after writing less line of answer, you will get more marks. Especially we are having Excel as a part of our syllabus. So for Excel, whatever you will perform in your practical, if you remember that step, then you will write that step as an answer for 7 to 8 marks. So definitely, instead of remembering huge calculation which is present in accounts, or huge answers, that is one and a half pages answer for any theory subject, it is really very easy to write less number of answer, and for that you are going to get 7 to 8 marks. So this is second reason why you should select computer system and application as a subject. After that, as you all know, your other subjects distribution is 100 marks, right? But in case of computer system and application, we are having the distribution of 75 and 25 marks. 75 marks will be for your theory paper, and for practical we will be having 25 marks. And in that also, plus point, the practical exam is conducted by the college itself. In that also, if you are attending the lecture properly, if your journal is properly completed, if you perform well during your practical examination, then definitely you are going to get the 25 marks. So you just have to take efforts for remaining 75 marks during theory exam. After that, the next reason is that this is actually main reason, that is so many students are going to computer classes for learning Microsoft Excel, right? As a BCom student, it is very very important for you. So in our syllabus, semester 5 and semester 6, we are having Excel, that is we are going to learn basic Excel and in semester 5, and advanced Excel in semester 6. So in your regular studies only, you will get the chance or opportunity to learn Microsoft Excel. And after that, the next reason, which is actually I am feeling very very important, whether you are going to enter into IT field or not, but it is, as you all know, that now everywhere we should have knowledge about computer, or computer is very very important. So after taking this subject, definitely for in a week 2 days or 3 days, you are going to enter into the computer lab. You are handling the computer, because of which you will become computer friendly. So when you enter into industry and somebody told you to work on the computer, it will not be that much difficult for you, because you are having practice of using computer for any purpose, that is for execution of our program or for Microsoft Excel, any reason. That reason doesn't matter, but the main important thing is you will be computer friendly. That is very very important. I know that the export is your actual commerce related subject, but that you can learn later also. Now you are getting opportunity to learn or to have knowledge about computer. So I think you should not, we can say that, escape from that opportunity, you should get such good opportunity of learning computer or of learning Excel. You just need to do that. The whatever money you are going to spend for Excel course in computer classes, you just have to add that money into your college fee. So both the things will be easy for you, learning also and the payment also. So these are the reason which I think that why commerce students or TY students should select computer system and applications. I hope this is clear to you all. And other than that, I have added some slides related to our subject so that you will get idea about subject, because if you compare this subject with your other subject, the syllabus is quite less, we can say that, or the syllabus is quite easy. Again, it is totally depend upon your interest, but from my side it is very easy, and I will definitely going to give you 100% for my subject. So in next slides I have added some points. So this is syllabus which you are going to learn, that is you will be having total 4 modules. First module, that is data communication and networking and internet, which will be for 26 marks. After that, second module, database and MySQL, which will be for 16 marks. Database and MySQL means, as you all know that you have filled so many forms online, so all the information will be saved when you clicked on save button or submit button. Okay, so where that particular information is saved on a server, and server is having database for storing such information. And to deal with this particular type of information, we are having one language, that is MySQL system query language, with the help of which you can search for a particular record, you can insert record, so all such type of operations you can perform. And in module number 4 you will be having spreadsheet, that is nothing but Microsoft Excel. In semester 5 you are having basic Excels, that is inbuilt function, how to use Excel, how to perform cell formatting, how to filter particular columns or data, how to merge two Excel sheets. So all such topics are covered, and basically it is for 17 marks. So this is your marks distribution. So total 75 marks you are going to have on these 4 modules. After that, scheme of examination, as I previously told you, your theory will be for 75 marks and the exam duration is 2.5 hours. Other papers you are having 3 marks because the exam is of 100 marks. But in case of computer system and application, you are having 75 marks for theory for 2.5 hours exam duration. After that, you will be having practicals. So for practicals, you are having 20 marks, and basically the practical timing for 20 marks is 1 hour. After that, for active participation and class conduct, that is your attendance behavior, for that you will be having 5 marks. So this is your 100 marks distribution as per Mumbai University. After that, the practical topics which will be covered in your practical, that is first practical is on word processing, that is on with the help of Microsoft Office Word. You just have to we can say that need to create some files or document, or we can say that you just need to prepare one resume, that will be part of word processing practical. After that, you are having Microsoft Excel. So on Microsoft Excel you will be having 3 practicals, and third topic which we need to add into your journal, that is MySQL, and MySQL will be having 6 practicals. After that, practical examination or exam pattern. So as we have seen that we are having 20 marks for the practical, right? So how the 20 marks are distributed, that is nothing but your practical exam pattern. So for MySQL you will be having 7 marks question. On MS Excel you will be having 3 marks question. Journal which you will prepare for entire semester, that will be having 5 marks. And Viva, basically it is depending upon your practical or the theory syllabus which is there, so that is for 5 marks. So this is your 20 marks practical distribution. So this much I have added just to so that you should have some idea about this particular subject. and the reasons why you should select this subject, other than it is scoring. All the subjects are scoring, you just need to do some hard work, right? That you all know. So similarly, for this subject also you need to hard work, then and then only this subject will become scoring. But other than that, we have seen so many reasons why we should select this subject as part of your syllabus. And from my side, as I feel that it is very important for you to be computer friendly, and so many students, as my experience from our college or other colleges where I have taught, the students are not computer friendly. They don't know how to start the computer. And as a BCom student, Excel is important, but other than that, handling of computer is also important. So for this, and after having 1 year, you are going to have in both the semester, you are going to have this subject. So you will be having practice for almost 6 to 7 months on the computer. So definitely at the end of your completion of TY BCom, you will be computer friendly, which will be definitely useful for you in your future, in your job. So think about the same, and I hope you have liked my orientation. So thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.